Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinchange to OnJuno. If you don't have a Coinchange account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $40 sign up bonus. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several icons at the bottom part of the screen. Click on the trading icon. On this screen, you will see an option for withdraw. Click on withdraw. Now, select a currency. Click on the drop-down arrow on the first field, then several options will appear. Click on Bitcoin. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer. You could enter a custom amount, or click on 25%, 50%, or 100%. After that, enter your OnJuno wallet address. Then click on Withdraw. Lastly, review the transfer details. If everything looks good, click on I agree. Now you will see a message saying that your transfer will be processed shortly. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Coinchange to OnJuno. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.